Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a simple model by using Solidworks. So first of all, let's begin with File, New, then choose Part. Let's begin with the base, so we choose top plane and create sketch, then choose center rectangle, 18 by 843. Smart dimension 43 by 18. Now click OK, then go to Future and Extrude Base, extrude by 25mm and press OK. Now choose this face and click on Sketch, Normal to, and create a corner rectangle. The distance between here, this line and this line, is 11mm. Now go to Future and Extrude Cut, by 18 minus 6 is 12. Then press OK. Now let's cut this piece. So we choose this face and sketch, normal to, and then we create another corner rectangle with the dimension from this line to this line is 6mm. Oh, sorry, 6mm. And from this line to this line the same is 6mm. And the distance between this line to this line is 21mm. Then OK, Future, extrude cut from up to next or through all. Then press OK. So this is our model. Let's put a color to this model and press OK. So here's our model, and save your model in any place that you prefer. Let's say it's part new or new part. Then save. Thanks for watching and bye.